Hello, welcome to Stacey's Kitchen. Today we're going to make properly good vanilla baked donuts. It's a really easy recipe. All we have to do is put all our dry ingredients in a bowl, then all our wet ingredients in a bowl and stir it up. So let's do that. You just put 180 grams of plain flour into a bowl, followed by 110 grams of caster sugar. On top of that, you need to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a large pinch of salt. You're going to just stir that a little bit, mix it all together. And now on top of that, I'm going to put 1 large egg, 100 grams of melted butter, which I've cooled. This is unsalted butter. Lovely. Teaspoon of vanilla extract and 120 ml of buttermilk. This is what makes our donuts taste so delicious. Now what's left to do is mix it together. The mixture is lovely and thick and smooth. And now I'm going to spoon it into a large piping bag. This should make 12 donuts, by the way. I'm now going to spray my donut tins with a little bit of spray oil, just to stop them from sticking, even though it's a non-stick pan anyway, so it's fine. Now it's time to do the piping. I'm going to cut off the end of the piping bag to about 1 centimetre. Now I'm going to start piping round. We want to fill them up no more than half, because they do rise quite substantially. And I'm aiming for 12 here. I'm just going to smooth them round with my finger. You could use the back of a spoon if you wish. All we have to do now is bake these at 180 degrees or 160 degrees fan for around 10-11 minutes until they're well risen and slightly brown. Let's go. I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. Now it's time to make the icing glaze. I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious strawberry milkshake icing glaze. What you need is 200 grams of icing sugar. You need 35 grams of a milkshake powder, like a Nesquik, and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. It's super simple. Take your milkshake powder and add it to your icing. Mix that together. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix it in. This makes a really nice consistency for dipping donuts in or drizzling over a cake. Mix it in with a spoon, and then I'm going to change to a little whisk. Oh, it smells amazing. Just so you know, you can use any flavouring you want for this: banana, chocolate, strawberry. There's no lumps anymore, it's nice and smooth. Our icing glaze is ready. I'm going to cover it now with cling film until I need to use it. After 10 minutes, these are perfectly cooked. I'm now going to turn them out onto a baking tray to cool. Ta-da! Now, time for my favourite bit, glazing the donuts. Always put a piece of kitchen towel underneath your cooling rack. It will save clearing up at the end all the drips that might fall down. Pick up a donut, turn it over, pop half of it into the glaze, lift it up and let any excess fall off. Once you've done that, it's time to get your sprinkles and sprinkle them on. I'm doing each one individually because otherwise the glaze will dry and we won't be able to add the sprinkles. So I do each one individually. I got pretty confetti sprinkles today. Pop it in, let the excess drop off, and sprinkle time. You can put whatever colour sprinkles you want. Kids love doing these. They're so easy to make for children as well. I'd love to see your properly good baked donuts, so don't forget to send me pictures and click the subscribe button below. Bye!